My Cash App card not working in most places. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video. This video I want to talk about my Cash App card. So I know a lot of people out there use the Cash App. I use the Cash App myself. I love the Cash App. It's super awesome, and I love the fact that they just recently added investing to the Cash App. So I believe now I will probably invest more in the Cash App than I will other apps, because it's just the Cash App is all in one app. But one problem I'm having with the Cash App that I want to share with you guys, I want to know if other people are having this problem, and I want to sort of get an answer. I kind of feel like if I email Square, the only thing they would send me is sort of an automated email, and if I make a video talking about this, maybe other people will tell me, hey, I don't have this problem, or maybe other people can tell me like why this sort of situation happens with the Cash App card. But anyway, this is what is going on with my Cash App card. And anyway, if you don't have the Cash App card, it's super easy to get. You can just get it in the app. You just fill out like your address and stuff like that. They mail you the card in like a week or so. It's really, really cool. Okay, so with the Cash App card it's just like any other card, okay? You can link it up to Apple Pay, you can use it at different places you go, or you can use the physical card. I've noticed that when I go to places like Whole Foods, it works. It doesn't work 100% of the time, but it works about 85% of the time. So what am I talking about? It works 85% of the time. Sometimes I will go to Whole Foods and I will try to get cash back, and it just won't let me do cash back. The person at the counter will say, oh, it says you've hit your daily limit. And this may be the first time in the whole day that I've actually used my Cash App card, and it's already telling me I hit my daily limit, and I'm only trying to withdraw like $100 out. So this is one thing I've noticed, but I didn't really pay it that much attention because it doesn't happen all the time. It happens very, very rarely. Once I was in an airport leaving the US, and I was trying to take out US dollars, like out of an ATM, so that way I could go to another country and I can have US dollars. And I went to an ATM to try to use the Cash App card, and it just declined, like over and over and over. It just declined. It would not let me withdraw any money at all. Would not let me, it just didn't work. I did try to use the Cash App card outside of the US. It declined like multiple times. Like it just did not work outside the US. I don't think there's an option to notify the Cash App card that you're out of the country. So I think that may have something to do with it. But this is one thing I've noticed. So the ATM fees can sort of be very unclear. So they say that you get free ATM withdrawals if you have direct deposit linked up to your account. But what I want to know is, what exactly does that mean? Myself, I work for Caviar, and every time I deliver an order, I have a deposit go from Caviar to my Cash App. So is that a direct deposit, or is that a direct deposit? Is that a direct deposit, or is that just a payment? I would assume that that's sort of a direct deposit, because I'm like working for this app, and by me working for this app, I'm getting paid through this other app, and it's like I'm getting paid directly, and it's like direct deposit. It's more like instant deposit. Maybe it doesn't qualify because it's not direct deposit, it's instant deposit. And the biggest problem I had with my Square Cash App card, and this is the reason why I'm sitting down and making this video. So last night I'm sitting around and I want to order something offline. This is like a spontaneous purchase. It is a pair of sunglasses. I saw a guy in the city wearing these sunglasses. He was on a bike, and I saw them. I was like, yo, I really want those sunglasses. I had no idea what type of sunglasses they were. So I just went online and I sort of searched the type of sunglasses that they were, and I wasn't able to find anything close. About 3 days ago, I was scrolling through Facebook, and I see this ad for these same exact glasses, and I'm like, dude, I want to get these. Like, no one sells these in San Francisco, like this big amazing city, and no one sells these freaking sunglasses. So I didn't buy them right then, but every time I would go to Facebook, they kept showing me the ad. So last night, I was like hanging out with some friends at a bar, and I saw the ad on my phone, and I was like, let's just buy them, and just decline, decline. I tried over and over and over, and it just keep declining. And I'm thinking, this really sucks because I really want to buy this with the Cash App card. Now I can easily use another card. I can easily use my Chase bank card. But one thing I want to throw out here is I like the Cash App so much that I was thinking about getting rid of my Chase bank account because I don't write checks anymore. And I don't exactly need a credit card. I mean, I guess I need a credit card to buy like flights and stuff like that or to rent a car. But I don't really use a credit card that much. So I was thinking of maybe one day just getting rid of Chase and just having the Cash App. Because I'm the type of person, I don't really keep money in the bank anyway. I know a lot of people say that, you know, the Cash App is not FDI insured. That does make a difference when you have lots of money in the bank. When you just have a couple $1,000s in the bank, if the bank goes under, you just lose a couple $1,000s, you know, versus if you have hundreds of thousands of dollars in the bank. That's just a whole different scenario, you know. So this is one thing I've noticed about the Cash App. The Cash App is really awesome, but the Cash Card has problems, yo. Like it definitely has problems. Like it definitely has problems. As of now, I'm logged onto the Caviar app and I'm waiting for some orders to pop up because it's like 8:17 a.m. and it should be busy out there. Yeah, everybody's back to work. I walked here like 20 minutes and I noticed that, wow, the city's coming back to life. The city's coming back to life. But anyway, I want to talk about the Cash App card, and I want to know if you guys are having any problems with the Cash App card. And another random question, if you do have the Cash App card, let me know in the bottom what color card that you pick, because I got the black card. I was thinking about getting the card with the American flag on it, but then I was thinking let's just get the black one because it's just more simple. So yeah, if you have the Cash App card, I want to know in the description, in the comments below, what Cash App card that you pick, because there are some different Cash App cards to choose from. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.